Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this look right here. And if you guys haven't already done so, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to start off with this color from the 35B palette by Morphe on a M441 brush. I'm going to go ahead and start in the outer corner, and whatever's left, I'm going to go ahead and blend it inwards in circular motion. And I'm going to repeat these steps until I get the color as pigmented as I want it to be. Now you want to make sure that this color is well blended and there aren't any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to be taking this purple shade here on a shader brush, and this is just a brush that comes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to be packing on the color on my crease. And when I mean packing, you gotta pack, or else it's just gonna look super patchy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend, and I'm using an M506 brush from Morphe once again. And you want to start by blending really carefully. You don't want to take it too high up. Just make sure that you get rid of that harsh line. Take your time. Once you get rid of that harsh line, you want to go ahead and pack once again, because the intensity of the color, it's going to go away with all that blending. And then again, you want to go ahead and blend. You want to repeat this process until you get it as pigmented as you want. Now for the base of the black shadow, so the black shadow could stick, I'm going to go ahead and use this Maybelline eyeliner. I love this for this, and even for my waterline. It's super pigmented, super creamy. And I'm just taking the other side of the pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm taking this black shadow from the Morphe palette, and I'm using a concealer brush, and I'm packing this color on my lid like no other. You want to pack until it is not patchy. And then to blend the black shadow out, I'm using the M562 brush, and that is all we're doing for color. Now you want to go ahead and prepare your lashes for your falsies. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and add some mascara. You can add whatever mascara you want, whatever you prefer. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these Lily Ghalichi lashes in the style Caviar. Now after you apply this much eyeshadow, you're going to have some fallout. This is why I always like to do my face makeup after I apply my shadow. And I'm just using a makeup remover. Then we're going to go ahead and move to our lower lash line, and I'm using our first transition color, which was the light purple, and I'm going to go ahead and add that and make sure all of the edges are well blended, and you can drag it down as far as you like. Now I'm just taking the darkest purple shade that I used, and I'm going to go ahead and add that really close to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go in with some eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that black shadow. And I'm just going to use this small blending brush to blend everything out. Now before we are completely done, you always want to go ahead and just look at both of your eyes and make sure that everything matches. Make sure that you touch up any color that you have to. Now for instance, this black was looking just way too patchy. So what I did was I applied more, and then I went ahead and I blended everything out. Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm using this glitter by Star Crush Minerals in the color Genie. And it's super beautiful. It's purple with like some green sparkles. Just brought the whole look together. And lastly, to hide the lash bands, you want to go ahead and add some eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners because it's super creamy. And then now to really finish the look, you want to go ahead and finish it off with some mascara. And we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. And if you loved this look, then give it a thumbs up. Until next time, guys.